Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to tell if the corned beef is done. It should be grayish-brown at that point, but you can still check it with a thermometer to be sure. Remember that the corned beef needs to reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe for eating. 12 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instead, whether you bought a ready-to-cook corned beef or you cured your own, rinse the meat several times under cool water to remove any excess salt. Don't worry about rinsing away the flavor. The meat is fully infused with flavor by this point. 3 September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cooking corned beef is a process that cannot be rushed. Even when the meat is cooked through, it still needs more time to transform the chewy bite into one that's beautifully tender. Instead, cooking corned beef takes patience as it's a tough cut of meat that benefits from a lengthy cook time. 3 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.